Some important dates. The beginning of agriculture is 8,000 years ago. The first cities on the Indus 4,700 years ago. Cities in the Ganga Valley, a big kingdom in Magadha 2,500 years ago. The present day about 2000 AD or CE. Some important dates. The Neolithic period 12,000 to 10,000 years ago. The beginning of the Neolithic is 10,000 years ago. Some important dates. Beginnings of domestication about 1200 years ago. Beginning of settlement at Mehragarh about 8,000 years ago. Some important dates. Cotton cultivation at Mehragarh about 7,000 years ago. Beginnings of cities about 4,700 years ago. Beginning of the end of these cities about 3,900 years ago. The emergence of other cities about 2,500 years ago. Some important dates. Beginning of the composition of the Vedas about 3,500 years ago. Beginning of the buildings of megaliths about 3,000 years ago. Settlement at Inamogon between 3,600 and 2,700 years ago. Charaka about 2,000 years ago. Some important dates. New kinds of Rajas about 3,000 years ago. Mahajanapadas about 2,500 years ago. Alexander's invasion, composition of the Dignikaya about 2,300 years ago. End of the Ganas or Sanghas about 1,500 years ago. Some important dates. Upanishadic thinkers, the Jaina teacher Mahavira and the Buddha about 2,500 years ago. Writing down of the Jaina texts about 1,500 years ago. Some important dates. Beginning of the Mauryan Empire more than 2,300 years ago. Some important dates. Beginning of the use of iron in the subcontinent about 3,000 years ago. Increase in the use of iron, cities, punch marked coins about 2,500 years ago. Beginning of the composition of the Sangam literature about 2,300 years ago. Settlement in Arikmadu between 2,200 and 1,900 years ago. Some important dates. Discovery of silk making about 7,000 years ago. The Cholas, Cheras and Pandyas about 2,300 years ago. Growing demand for silk in the Roman Empire about 2,000 years ago. Kanishka, the Kushan ruler about 1,900 years ago. Yan comes to India about 1,600 years ago. Zhuzhang comes to India. Apar composes devotional poems in praise of Shiva about 1,400 years ago. Some important dates. Beginning of the Gupta dynasty about 1,700 years ago. The rule of Harshvardhana about 1,400 years ago. Some important dates. Big Stupa building 2,300 years ago. Amaravati 2,000 years ago. Kalidasa 1,600 years ago. Iron pillar temple at Bithargaon. Paintings at Ajanta Aryabhatta 1,500 years ago. Durga temple 1,400 years ago.